You have likely seen tall buildings with glass from the first to the last level. These are called curtain walls. They are non-load-bearing, independent structural members consisting of aluminum skeletal frames and glass held together by designated accessories. Curtain walls protect against the weather, save energy by providing natural light through their fixed glasses, and give the building a stunning aesthetic. In Autodesk Revit, scroll to Architectural Wall and navigate to different types of wall. You may need to load families where necessary. Pick the type of your curtain wall and proceed to draw your plans. By default, Revit provides two types of curtain walls, namely shop front and exterior glazing. You can choose Edit Type to customize your design. The structural section of the curtain wall consists of aluminum mullions and glazing systems. The mullions are vertical and horizontal aluminum frames fabricated to carry the weight of the glass. The glazing system keeps the glass in a tight position. It consists of aluminum cover plates to conceal the inner parts of the system and also give an aesthetic appearance. Pressure plates to apply the rubber pressures to the glass, thereby providing a fixed tight glazing. Rubbers, different types of screws, are also part of the accessories. The structural views are used for fabricating the curtain walls in the factory.
The drawings required for fabricating the curtain wall are generated or exported to drafting software, such as AutoCAD, which details all specifications, dimensions, and layouts. Aluminum profiles are cut to specification and assembled layer by layer. Once all the different parts are fabricated, the curtain wall components are transported to the site for assembly and installation. After completing the curtain wall design, export the model to a rendering application. This allows for the creation of a high-quality, three-dimensional, and realistic visual representation of the building. This process helps in visualizing the final product, including the aesthetic impact, material textures, lighting effects, and overall architectural design.
Different types of glazing panels can be used for the curtain wall, e.g., clear glass.
Double glazed unit, DGU.
Spandrel glass.
Reflective glass.
Aluminum composite panel ACP.
Tinted glasses.
Polychromatic glasses.
The examples provided represent only a selection of the primary glazing panel types. In reality, curtain wall systems incorporate a vast and diverse array of hundreds of other specialized glazing panel designs and materials, each optimized for a specific architectural and performance requirements. Please subscribe, share, like.